Consider this circle. A square is drawn such that two of its corners are on the circumference of the circle and one side is tangent to the circle. If this distance is 1 unit long, can you find the area of the square? First, we will draw a chord that passes through the other two intersection points of the square and the circle. Since this is a square, well, this must be a rectangle. Opposite sides of a rectangle are congruent, which means these two chords are congruent. Recall that congruent chords within the same circle are always equidistant from the center of the circle. That also means their largest perpendicular distance from the circumference of the circle are also equal. Therefore, we can say this measure is also 1 unit long. Now let's assume that the square has side lengths s. Since this is 1, hence this distance is s minus 1. Assume that the diameter of the circle is d. We can see that 1 plus s minus 1 plus 1 is equal to diameter d. Negative 1 plus 1 is 0, so we get d equals s plus 1. Next, let's draw the diameter as shown. This diameter forms a right triangle where the sides are s minus 1, and d. Applying the Pythagorean theorem gives us s minus 1, all squared, plus s squared is equal to d squared. However, we have an expression for d that we solved earlier. D is equal to s plus 1. So, let's plug it in. Expand the square of binomial. This is s minus 1 times s minus 1. Same thing for this square of binomial. This is s plus 1 times s plus 1. Now we have to multiply using the FOIL method. S times s is s squared. S times negative 1 is negative s. Negative 1 times s is negative s. And negative 1 times negative 1 is 1. Repeat the FOIL method. S times s is s squared. S times 1 is s. 1 times s is s. And 1 times 1 is 1. We can cancel out s squared and also 1 on both sides of the equation. Negative s minus s is negative 2s, while s plus s is 2s. The equation becomes s squared minus 2s is equal to 2s. Transpose 2s to the other side. We get s squared minus 2s is equal to 0. Combine like terms to get s squared minus 4s equals 0. Factor this expression into s times s minus 4. So we have two solutions here. S equals 0 and s equals 4. But the side measures of a square cannot be 0, so we will take s equals 4. The formula for the area of a square is side squared. Substitute s equals 4. Therefore, the area of the square is 4 squared, which is 16. The area of the square is 16 square units. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing math problems.